Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen, or as I like to call it, a mess that shows I'm living. As you know, I have been on an amazing housekeeping journey, most recently with the Fly Lady, and I've made some incredible strides. But guess what? Life doesn't always play by the rules, and sometimes it's like, hey, remember me? All your stuff that you still have. And boom, chaos strikes, and the kitchen is a disaster again. So today, I'm going to have a little fun while I tackle this madness and talk about how even when I think I have it all figured out, life throws me a curveball, and I am just starting to learn that I can accept it. At one point in my life, I thought I had the whole housekeeping thing completely down. I was like, I've got a system and I am unstoppable. But then life happened and I had a child and I had animals and I have businesses and I have interests and I have less and less time and more stuff. So life decided to show me who really is boss, and it's everything. When I started this cleaning session, my countertop was a mountain of things. And we all know I have done many decluttering sessions in this kitchen, but things still seem to be piling up and maybe not getting back to their home the way they should. So I am thinking there are still some systems that need to be put into place in this kitchen. Before I can even fathom starting to declutter and organize specific spaces, I need to have a clean surface to work with. So I decided this kitchen just needed a good cleanup and a good wipe down. I'm starting to accept that life gets messy. It's unpredictable. And you can go from a sparkling clean kitchen to this kitchen carnival in a flash. And sometimes it literally feels like it takes seconds. I'm starting to learn and embrace the chaos because it is a sign that we are living, we're laughing, and we are making memories. Even though I can get a little stressed out when I see the clutter, I know that life has messes, and we are enjoying every second of what we are living. And because of the work I have done with the Fly Lady journey and what I have accomplished, I notice that I can be more in the moments more often than always thinking about what needs to be done. Don't get me wrong, I am a work in progress and I am still usually always thinking about what needs to be done, but I still am able to turn that part of my brain off and enjoy the moments with my family. And that's truly why I am on this journey to clean and declutter and make my house not just a place that is clean, but also a place we love being. And if it's one thing that I can attest to, we do love being here. We love our home. Sometimes it just gets a little stressful because of the clutter. So I'm a work in progress and I am working on it. So the best part is, even when things get a little crazy, we can always hit the reset button. So that's what I'm doing. I took a deep breath. I channeled my inner cleaning ninja and I got back on track with this kitchen. I wiped down the countertops from front to back. I moved appliances. I cleaned them out, and I really started to feel like the kitchen was coming back together. Let's face it, life is all about balance. So as much as I'm striving for cleanliness, I also have to learn to embrace the moments that happen. Even though I would describe my cleaning journey this summer as a roller coaster, that just hasn't ended yet. I am still getting to where I want to be. Now, a few things I want to let you know what's been going on during our summer roller coaster, and I have mentioned it, is came to the realization that our pets and our animals are aging, and with that has come some unexpected expenses. And what you can see here is it also came with some unexpected additions to our food for the animals. So 2 of our animals have been put on special diets. And since we have 4 animals, Cammie, I mentioned, had bladder stones, so she is on a special bladder food diet. And then Leia, our oldest cat, who's about 17 years old, she was diagnosed with kidney disease, or I don't know if it's disease or, kidney issues. So she is on a special food for kidney help. And with that, we have 2 cats and we have 2 dogs. And if you do the math, 2 are on special diets, 2 are on their old diet. We now have 4 different foods. Each animal is getting their very own food. It can make things a little bit complicated and pretty pricey for those medicated foods. And what's interesting is the animals that don't need to eat the medicated food try to steal the medicated food because they like it better. And the animals that are supposed to be on the medicated food have no interest in the medicated food. So it's been a journey. We are learning how to make everybody happy and content and enjoy their food. And we are getting through it. But with that, this corner became so cluttered because not only do we have 4 different kinds of food for the animals, we also have medications and joint supplements. And I needed to work on this corner specifically to make it work for us because their medications and their stuff is just kind of overflowing into other places. So I truly tried to focus on just kind of making this space work a little bit better. It's not perfect. We have a ways to go, but we are getting there. And as we figure out more about how to treat our aging pets, we're learning. Again, this whole journey is all about learning, right? And the thing I realized the most is, again, I have aging pets, so taking advantage of the time I have with them is super important. Even though I am on repeat in regards to cleaning this kitchen and doing dishes on repeat and repeat and repeat, I am still seeing so much progress in that I am able to spend the time with the people and the animals that I love. So cheers to everybody making memories, embracing the mess, and cleaning it up with a smile on our faces because we don't really have a choice. Like I said, it's on repeat. So thanks so much for joining me on this kitchen adventure. Until next time, bye.